morning students. Today I am going to deal with question answers of chapter 16 standard 6 essays, and today it is the fourth lecture. Standard 6 essays chapter 16 fourth lecture. In this chapter, we learn about Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, District Panchayat, Municipality, Municipal Corporation, Mamlatdar, and Collector. My dear student, here I am going to ask a long question. Okay, the question is: mention the functions of Gram Panchayat. Which kind of work? Which kind of work Gram Panchayats they do? Okay, Gram Panchayat, those who are staying in a village, they know there are many functions. Okay, they give different types of facilities to the people who are staying in the village. So here mention the functions of Gram Panchayat. Okay, mention the functions of Gram Panchayat. Number one. Now let's take the answer. The functions of the Gram Panchayat are as follows. These are the functions of the Gram Panchayat. This much work, okay, this work done by Gram Panchayat. Number one, to give the number of each house in the village. My dear student, when you go to the village panchayat, when you pay the tax, they will ask you what is your house number. Okay, you are staying in a society, society number is different, but house number which is given by the village gram panchayat is different. Okay, when you go to pay the tax, house tax or maybe land tax, revenue tax, something, okay, that time they will ask you the numbers. Okay, so here, to give the number of each house in the village, that is the main work. Okay, if you have house in the village, the gram panchayat they give number. Okay, and according to that you can pay the taxes. Okay, second, to arrange the household and drinking water. My dear student, it is the function of not only gram panchayat, it is the function of municipality and municipal corporation also, because drink water is the most necessity of the people. Okay, and it is their duty. Okay, the gram panchayat or maybe a municipality or municipal corporation, it is their duty to provide pure drinking water. Okay, and it should be, okay, to arrange the household and drinking water. Okay, that is the function of the village panchayat. Next, to maintain land asset offices. To maintain land asset offices, and here this function is the most important. Okay, to keep birth and death register. Okay, whoever is born or who dies in the village, we have to register this thing. Okay, on so and so date, so and so person was born, okay, or died. Okay, so they keep record. The gram panchayat, they keep record of birth as well as death. Okay, and within a 24 hours something or 36 hours something, it is our duty to register. Okay, suppose any person dies in your house, so within 24 hours or maybe something, you have to register. Okay, in the panchayat office, that certain thing up, because after that when election comes, when they make the register, so if person dies, they have to cancel the name. Okay, like that. When you came to school, you were asked to present the birth certificate. Okay, the birth certificate means you were born where, on which date, everything, it's clear mentioned. So it is the village panchayat's duty to keep the record of birth and death. Okay, to keep birth and death register. Next one, to construct public roads in the village. Okay, it is the main duty. Okay, we are paying taxes, and through that taxes, the village panchayat, they give facility of roads. Okay, maybe a RCC road or maybe a Damar road, something whatever. Okay, so they give. Okay, and it is their duty, but our duty is to pay the tax regularly. That is also our duty. So to construct public roads in the village, because it is a village, it is the function of village panchayat. That's why to construct public roads in the village. Next, to make arrangement for the development of the village. Okay, they have to develop the village. Okay, by giving certain facilities. Nowadays you will find parks are there. Okay, then around the pond they make a nice fence so people can walk around it. Na? So in order to develop the village, they take some necessary steps. Okay, to make arrangement for the development of the village. Okay, next, to maintain public properties, that is most important. Okay, take the example, gram panchayat office. Okay, then suppose library is there, or maybe some other things are there. These are public property, na? So it is written to arrange, to maintain public properties. Okay, to maintain public properties. Nowadays, in many villages, you will find library also. Okay, people early morning they go to the library, they read newspaper, some magazines are there. Okay, then dairy is there. Okay, so many things are there to maintain public properties. Next one, to get the village streets clean and to arrange the disposal of dirty water. Nowadays, so last 2 3 years you have heard the Swachhta Abhiyan. Swachhta Abhiyan. My dear student, it is to keep the village clean. It is the duty, function of the village, and that is why every day or maybe alternative days the vehicle comes. They collect the garbage and they throw at other places. And nowadays they have two types of garbage: dry and wet. Okay, even disposal of dirty water also through the line. They are using some drainage line, that is called drainage line. Through drainage line they send the dirty water out of the village. Okay, so here, to get the village street clean. Okay, every day some people they come, they clean the streets. Okay, even the vehicle comes from the village panchayat. Okay, they collect the garbage, wet or dry, whatever, and they just throw whatever it is decided. Okay, they also keep arrangement for the disposal of dirty water. Okay, after bathing or maybe a summer other business. Okay, dirty water is there, so they send the dirty things out of the village through drainage system. Okay, next one, to establish and maintain health related facilities in the village. Nowadays you will find in many villages you have small dispensaries. Okay, small dispensaries, physical health center, something, PHC, something. Na? Why? It is in order to give proper health services. Okay, proper health services. That's why it is written to establish and maintain health related facilities in the village. Dispensaries are there or some other things are there. Okay, to arrange street light in the village, that is also necessary during the night time. Okay, lights are needed, so they keep arrangement for the street light. Okay, and we are paying for that. Okay, next one, to facilitate primary education in the village as well as to raise awareness and spread for education. Okay, nowadays it is the big nowadays you will find in each and every village you will find schools are there, primary school or even high schools are there. And my dear student, in order to run the administration of the school smoothly, SMC or some other institutions are there, they help. Okay, in that committee we take the help of a sarpanch or maybe some other leaders of the village in order to run the administration of the school proper. Okay, So it is written to facilitate primary education in the village as well as to raise awareness and spread for education. Okay, they have to spread the awareness about the education. Okay, and next one, to take care of crops of village farms and to maintain the pastures. So these are the functions of the Gram Panchayat. Dear student, my next question is what is meant by local self government? Explain. What is meant by local self government? Explain. Okay, my dear student, here I have drawn one chart and I have written some points. Okay, in the book you have to do the same thing. Okay, so first point, people elect their representatives. People elect their representatives by voting at local level. The people, they elect their representatives by voting at local level. Okay, local level means at the village level, or maybe taluka level, or maybe a district level, in municipality or municipal corporation, whatever is there. Okay, next point, these representatives administer their institution. Okay, if you are elected, okay, if people elect you for the gram panchayat, so you have to administer in a gram panchayat. Okay, if they elect you for the in a municipality, then you have to administer the city area, your ward. Okay, your area. Okay, so these representatives administer that institution. And third point, that is called local self-government. Local self-government means through our representatives, it is governed because we vote. We vote. That is why by voting, by electing them, and they do work on behalf of us. They do. Okay. So people elect their representatives by voting at local level. These representatives administer their institution, and that is called local self-government. That is called local self-government. Now here local self-government is there. Okay. So local self-government is divided into two parts: village, that is called rural. Okay, village or maybe a rural administration. Okay, village or rural administration. And second one is city administration, that is called urban. Okay, got it? So local self government at village means rural area, and second one is urban means city area. Okay, in a village area there are three levels are there. There is a tier of structure. Okay, small one is gram panchayat, after that taluka panchayat, and third one is district panchayat. Okay, here gram panchayat, taluka panchayat and district panchayat, while in a city it is called municipality and municipal corporation. Okay, we can say nagar palika also, or महानगर पालिका. Got it? So here gram panchayat, taluka panchayat and district panchayat, they come under village administration means rural area, while municipality means nagar palika, municipal corporation means mahanagar palika, they come under city administration means urban administration. Got it? Here I have written, see, Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and District Panchayat are called village local self-government. Village means rural, okay, got it? And municipality and municipal corporation are called urban. Urban means city local self-government. Copy down this thing in your notebook. Thank you.